YouTube, my name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for you, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. So in today's video, I'm super excited. I have an unboxing of the Ninja. This one is the Ninja Nutri Blender Pro Nutrient Extract. And you guys know how much I love to make my smoothies. I'm plant-based, so smoothies are a big part of my diet. And this summer, we're gonna get healthy, we're gonna get fit. I'm gonna be making more smoothies for you guys. So I thought this would be a perfect way to kick off the summer. And if you like the dress that I'm wearing, this is sponsored by Halara. Check the description for my discount code, which is my name, Kharyzma. You'll get 20% off of full price items. They have athleisure wear, like what I'm wearing, and a whole bunch of other stuff. If you haven't already, check out my other videos on Halara. So I'm gonna be using my handy dandy screwdriver to get, I really need to get a box cutter for real. And you guys forgive me because the tripod that I have right now, the mini one, ooh, hell, let me not mess up my nail. Ooh, and these are my real nails too. My nail is hurting. I'm not even gonna front. I was a little too excited trying to open this box, but yeah, I don't like anything that requires assembly or having to open. Like I always, when you open the box, it has the manual and all of this stuff. This is what it comes with. Give you a quick briefing. So it says Ninja Nutri Blender Pro, and oh, they have recipes. I cannot wait to try it. So normally, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a person who reads the instructions. I usually try to do it hands-on. When I did a test of what kind of learner I am, I fell into the category of tactile learner, which means hands-on. Unfortunately, there aren't a lot of things to help tactile learners. So yeah, I just like to fumble my way through. But this is what it's looking like. Ooh, they got some recipes: orange blush, apple pie smoothie. That sounds good. Tropical chill, island sunrise. Yummy for the summer. We about to be getting lit. We about to get healthy and lit. Berry almond smoothie, strawberry banana protein shake. There's so many recipes in here, so I will look at that a little bit later. This is the guide for the blender. The reason I decided to get a personal blender is because I have a big Ninja already. It was gifted to me by my sister. So the one that I have has the big cup, and then it has the personal one. But I used to make all of my smoothies on the little personal cup that, you know, you could take off and put back on. But it, like, something is wrong with it. So I started to have to use the big cup, but the thing is, the cleanup is what I don't like about using the big cup. So I was like, you know what? One of my credit cards, I had points on it, and I decided to use the points toward this, and it made the Ninja much less than what it had to be. Now, ultimately, I do want to get one of the more expensive blenders like the Vitamix or Blendtec or any of those types of blenders. Those are pretty pricey, but I'm hoping one of those companies will sponsor me as I continue to make more of these smoothie videos. I want to see some of my smoothie videos. Mostly they're in my vlogs. So this is what it comes with, and this is what the box looks like. So it looks pretty big. I guess the base is big. So let me be careful. This is the base, which is bigger than I thought it was. This piece just fell from somewhere. So it's this piece here, this piece here. Oh, I think it just comes with 2 cups. Like a cup that you can, oh, an on-the-go cup. And then this is the one that you, all right, so it's perfect. I'm gonna put the box back here so that you can just see it in the background. And let's begin to open up some of these. So this is the base. As you can see, it's so pretty too. I like that it's metallic. It goes with my decor because I have stainless steel decor. So this is perfect for my kitchen. And so far we had 4 pieces. This is just one of the tops. Oh, this is the top for the other cup. Like when you finish making, I'll show you in a second. I don't want to keep talking. So this is the cup. As you can see, this is the thing here that's gonna blend everything. This is sharp. And so after you finish blending, then you can take the cup, put this on top, and it becomes a to-go cup. And you know what? I was wondering if this was gonna be big enough. It says it's 21 ounces max, which is perfect because I usually make that big of a smoothie. And perfect. So I'm so happy I got this. So this is just another cup. So I don't need to open up that. It's the same thing as this. You get the point. Okay, so underneath there are suction cups. So when you want to place it down on the table, it'll grasp. Here is the power cord. Now I'm going to leave a link to my Amazon affiliate link for this. So if you guys want to purchase, please purchase through my Amazon link so that I can get a commission. I'm not working with Ninja and I'm not sponsored by Ninja, but if they want to sponsor me, holla at your girl. I'm gonna wash these cups and then I'll come back and do a demo for you so you can better understand. So the smoothie that I made earlier was it was vanilla, banana, and pineapple. And so I guess I can make a smoothie and I'll just save it for later. So I have 2 pieces of banana left. So I'm gonna put the liquid in first. Now I have to adjust to making the smoothies in these cups. I was so used to doing it. Let me show you this big one. So I would have to like make sure not to put a lot of liquid so that my smoothies could come out thick the way I like them. So yeah, I used this one earlier, but I just don't want to have to keep using this, have to keep cleaning this and all this stuff. That's why I got this one. And yeah, so I'm gonna put my unsweetened almond milk, so I don't have to put as much. Let's see, I'll do, that's about 3 ounces because the 4 ounce mark is here, so that's about 3. A little bit of OJ, this much. That should be enough. If you don't like your smoothies thick, then I guess you could put more liquid. I put 1/2 and 1/2. These are frozen bananas. So that's 1 whole banana because I put 2 halves. All right, so I'm gonna be using some cherries. I didn't use them today. I used cherries yesterday, and I'm gonna have to buy some more. All right, so this is what it's looking like. Okay, so I'm gonna be using protein powder by Protein World, and this is a vegan blend, and it's in the flavor vanilla. You can use these as meal replacements. So far I've had one for the day. So I guess since I'm doing all my video, I shot a video for this earlier, I will then replace 2 meals. Why not? I got an early start on my fitness journey. And yeah, I'll do a separate video on that. So I'm gonna use this protein powder. I love this powder. I tried it already. I so love it. This is my first day using it. Like, I tried it earlier when I did the other smoothie video. It says to put 4 scoops, but I'm gonna put less. That's 1. And then I'm gonna put, I think I'm gonna do 2 this time. The other video that I did, I used 3 scoops, but I used 2 right here. And just watch my other video so you can know a little bit more. I don't have ice cubes because I literally just ran out of ice cubes. I have Ninja. It has Start and Stop, Crush, Smoothie, and Pulse. And it's digital. My other one was not digital, so that's good. You heard the suction cups. When I pulled it up, it was like, that's the suction cup. So when I place it down here, it automatically just, so that when you're making the stuff, it doesn't like move all over the place. I'm gonna plug it in. It's already on, so I see a light blinking here. So now with this, you're gonna just take this part, put it on the cup, close it, and then put it on. I'll bring this closer so you can see. You heard that suction? Okay, you can see the lights blinking here. So then you take this put it in, twist it, and it's gonna lock like you heard it lock. And then I'm gonna just press smoothie. Let's see, it's my first time. Oh, you probably have to hold it. I don't know. Let me hold it. Let me see. See, I'm not sure because I did not read the instructions, so there's something that I probably don't know. With the other one, you used to just have to hold it. With this one, I'm guessing because there's a number on it, you probably got to time it. Please excuse me, guys, as this is really how I go through my process. I don't read instructions for the most part. Let's see. If it's too hard, then I'll read them in a second. Let me see if I can figure it out. I see that I press start and it just goes by itself. So what I discovered was when I just pressed start, it will just start to blend, and then you see the amount of seconds. So I guess if you have in your mind like how many seconds, I don't do that because I'm new to this digital one. So that worked, so it's fine. If I need to use any of the other ones, I'll look it up. I'll make sure I read the manual later. And if you have any questions, just put them in the comments and I'll do my best. But that's basically it with this one. So then you just twist it, take it off, and then it looks like it's ready. So then you can take this off. See, what's easier about this for me, what I like, oh goodness, that you could just take it off, and so it's a 12-ounce smoothie. So maybe I can put a little bit more liquid. Yeah, what I liked about it was that you could just easily, the cleanup was super quick. Like, let me show you. Like, you just take this and then you do like that. Super easy. With the cup, this big old thing, I had to take this out, make sure I clean all the grooves in here, clean everything. Now this serves a purpose if you're working with like more, you know, like a big recipe for something, or you need to blend something, whatever. But when I'm making my smoothies every day, I just want something like this. It's quick and easy. I could just take this, drink it, and then clean up is a breeze. Like you saw, I just clean this up. And then for this, easy to clean. Just to taste it so you can see. Yummy. I love cherry. So I'm gonna look forward to drinking this. So if you're on the go, now this is where this comes in handy, because you can use this cap. You just take it and then twist it on. This is my first time doing this, guys, so you're learning right along with me. If there's any like milk around it, just clean it up really quickly. Make sure, see, this is here, so you could drink out of here, or you could just put a straw in there. That'll work, and then you could drink it. So since I had my smoothie already, this is gonna go in the fridge. If you were like running to work, you could just bring this to work with you, or wherever, you tighten it up or whatever, it should be good. So yeah, that is the smoothie. Basically, it's just start and stop, crush, smoothie, and pulse. And when I used it, I just pressed start, and then the timer, you will see the timer go, the seconds. When I did smoothie, you saw it start and stop. I still don't know, so I'll figure it out and I'll come back and let you guys know. That's my unboxing of the Ninja Nutri Blender Pro Nutrient Extraction. It says liquefy whole fruits and veggies and ice. I hope I was able to help you if you're looking for a personal blender. I don't think it's small enough to take with you. I'm gonna have to get another blender for travel. This one is not gonna be it because the base of it is way too big. So I'll look for another one that I could travel with. But that was my unboxing of the Ninja. I will leave the link to Amazon in my description where you can purchase this, and it will help me out a lot because I get a small commission. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment and I will get back to you. I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and thank you guys for watching. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is at charismaforyou.style, and check out my website charismaforyou.com for pop-in lip gloss, and etsy.com/shop/charismaforyou for natural hair accessories, satin bonnets, custom made head wraps, scarves, satin bonnets. Etsy.com/shop/charismaforyou. I love you all. Thank you for watching.